Before we ever take photos, we like to look at inspiration pictures that we want to replicate. This all depends on the aesthetic of the outfit that we're wearing, the look we're going for, the space that we're shooting in, the lighting, and what we want to emphasize in our outfit. So for example, since I want a full-length picture in my dress, I'm going to choose these 4 photos as my inspiration. And once I'm ready to take pictures, I can try to replicate the angles, posture, and the posing. Once we're in the space, we can set up our phone either using a tripod or a makeshift stand. Using a stack of books, a table, a shelf, or anything that will work right at this angle that we're about to show you. For a full-length photo, to make sure that we don't look shorter than we are and squish all our proportions, we want to take photos either at our chest or waist level. While of course you can play around with the angles to create different aesthetic choices, this here will give us the most natural look. Now, pair this with positioning the phone as if it's leaning back just a little bit. This will lengthen our photos a little bit and give us a more refined atmosphere while elongating our figure. Put the camera back so that you can see the full-length photo, as our inspiration pictures show us, and make sure that you're not standing too close to the background. This will create more shadows, so if we step forward a little bit, this will lessen that and we'll have more space to pose and create more interest in our photo. When you don't have anyone to take a photo of you, here's a great trick that you can use. Actually, you can use it at any time, but it's especially helpful now. Instead of setting up a timer or a clicker for your phone, you can simply set the camera to take a video and pose. Take some time in between your poses, and then once you're done, you can easily take screenshots of your favorite looks. Now put on some music that fits the mood of your photo shoot and snap away.